Good morning, 10%ers. This is Michael with Trading Escapes. You can find us at tradingescapes.com. It is Thursday, January 10th, 2019. We are back at it this morning, trading two stocks, AMD and MU, our beta names that we have been, consistently learning discipline over the past approximately 6 weeks. Trying to have some consistent profit taking and basically instill a plan of discipline in ourselves. We're looking at it as we're building a trading system, so a system of how we find stocks, how we come up with strategies, how we put the plan together, how we document it, and then there's the plan, the strategy including the components of the idea, the execution, and the management. So we're just going through this every week and taking a swing at it and seeing what we did wrong, seeing what we did right. So there's a lot of things going on behind the scenes. Just besides the trading, the trading is just giving us ideas on how to execute this long term. So we've got a few minutes here. We've got about 13 minutes to the bell. So we're going to pause and be back at it here in a second. Just taking a look at the overall market real quick. I mean, we can see what happened to the SPY overnight after hours pre-market. We have this big jump down. We knocked out all of the gains from yesterday. So we're coming into this. Overall, the market looks a little depressed, and that could be a factor in our trading. But we will stick to our plan for the most part. Stick to our execution and our management. And see what we can have. We'll try to stick to, if we get on the losing side, we'll try to stick to two losers, right? So a maximum loss for the day, we're looking at about $200, which will knock our week down to a little over $7. And try to stick, and just in general, try to stick to two trades. But you never know. We'll see what the setups look like and see what we swing for. We have just a couple more minutes before the bell. And 3, 2, 1, and we're at it, 10%ers. Let's make some solid trades today. Stick to your plan. Don't get FOMO. It's always about doing a series of trades. Out of the gate, we got pulled to the downside on AMD. Could have a runner. Okay, runner's at 32. It's got to hit him with this next candle though. Relaxing a little bit here, turning a little bit green. Still a possibility, we got to keep it in mind. The bottom is 32. So we're looking at this 23.6 level. There's our entry for a runner at 32. Still got about a half a minute on this candle. AMD going up. SPY's just not really putting any moves in. I'm sorry, MU pulling up. MU's putting in a green candle. I'm going to end here. Okay. So that takes our runner contention kind of off the table. We'll see what happens here. Again, 32 is our trigger. Go ahead and create an alert. Create an alert at 38. An alert set on MU, triggers at 60. Take peek at it real quick here. Trigger at 60 here. Alright, just knocked out our alert for AMD. Triggers at 32. Just hit the trigger, hold down, see if we get any sort of pullback on it. Just staying patient. Okay, we're having a pullback. Just putting in some green. Oh, ran past us. Take that off. Reset. Back up to 32. Okay, we're in AMD. 1,000 shares. No trigger on MU as of yet. MU's making a pull up. And some red on the SPY. That's not looking good. Looks like we're going to get stopped out for a loss on AMD. All right, we're out of AMD for a loss of 39. Not Nothing really happening over. SPY's putting in big green candles, so it kind of pushed it back up. MU is trading sideways for the most part. See if it's really going to hold that 9. Can we get a run up to the 20? All right, we're back in. Probably a little premature, so we might have to pay the penalty on this one. Love for it to give us a chance to stay in this trade, but we will see what happens. MU had a little pull down. SPY's putting in some red candles, but now sort of slowed down a little bit. Just stuck in this consolidation. And that stops us out for a loss of 139. I like this setup here, but we're just not getting the push down. We're gonna let it ride. I want to see where we get closer to the end of this first 30 minutes. You know, it might break before that, but let's let it consolidate a little bit longer. We have this nice 50-29 setup right out of the gate. We've taken our 2 trades. Usually we need to stick to those 2 trades, but we're going to relax for a minute and just let's see where this sets up. And you know, I want to give it a little bit longer. I want to push closer into, you know, the 8:50, 9 o'clock mark. MU's doing nothing. It's just sideways. We never trigger to the downside. It's never triggered to the upside. Putting in a big red candle there. I think it's going to bounce back to the upside. Probably get back up to that 42 level or test the 20. There it goes. I'm gonna take one more swing at 10%ers. Or are you kidding me? Come on now. Well, that's just lovely. What's going on here? Alright, we're going to have to wait and see if it pulls back up for us. Alright, we're in at 22. Big buyers coming in at 20. Not a good sign for us right out of the gate. Pulls through it. Bounced off that 17 level. Huge jump up. Didn't like that at all. Alright, out 206. Market completely ate us up there. Did you see that? Just complete fake out. I mean, the pulling up, hitting those stops. Good for it. So we're going to end red down 206, 3 trades, and you know, we're going to leave it at that. We should have. I knew when we got down to that 19 level that we should just take a little profit, cut. You know, made our red day a little bit less, but you know, that's the way it goes. So you got to accept your red days. All right, so we're down 206. We're going to stick there. I hope everybody else is in the 10%, had a good day trading, got their profits in, locked them in, and can maybe enjoy the rest of the day. Excuse me. All right, we're out of here. Thanks, traders. Thanks, 10%ers. We'll talk to you soon.